So today we're going to try to install a KBD bumper on the Nismo. And this is how it showed up, which is a little nerve-wracking, but maybe she'll unfold. So decided to just hang the KBD. It's still having a hard time coming unraveled. That's way better. Still pretty big. This needs to like go in, and this is all deformed. Not sure what that's about. Trying to help it do its thing. So second part of the KBD, as soon as I touched paint to it, all the oils from the rubber came out, ruined the paint job immediately, which I kind of knew would happen. And that was sanded vigorously and cleaned multiple times and had plastic adhesive, you know, bulldog additive to it. And it's still, so far, just not a fan of this bumper at all. Haven't made a video about this car in a long time, and really it's because I haven't worked on it in a long time. But I've slowly been kind of like trying to put a front end together. I don't like it, but it's what I'm gonna do for now. It's a 380 RS kit. And I've just been, I mean, months at a time here, buying a bumper, buying some headlights, buying the fenders. So it's kind of where we're sitting, just mocking up the bumper. Kit doesn't fit perfect, but it's a lot better than it was. I think this will look decent for now, until I can get OEM stuff or better stuff. Well, honestly, it don't look bad the way it is. It's just not a body line queen. Understand that this was shot over a long time, so there's a lot of different segments with like really weird, just doesn't really make sense. But it's essentially me getting over fenders, a bumper, and headlights, and finishing the front of the Z, which I've never done. So that's pretty much it.